Yo mate, what up? Welcome to another lawn tip vid. Okay, so today we're going to be putting out some Primo maxx and doing a few odd jobs, try to get as much done as we can because we've got more rain coming in yet again. We had a weekend full of some sun, which is awesome. Glad we got that. It's actually able to mow the whole property. I didn't film it because filming adds like an extra 3 hours onto your mowing, so I thought, bruh, no way, not filming that. I'm just gonna mow it to get it done. But we'll put out some Primo maxx today at the same rate we used last time. We're gonna do this over the whole property, so it's gonna take a little while. And then hopefully after that, I'll be able to get a mow on the Kikuyu out the front as well. Might even try to get out the Toro, the Greens Master as well, on that patch out the front there. Mow it first with the rotary and then rip through it like that. But let's put this stuff out. Let's get it done. Today we're going to put probably a similar rate out to what we did last time. So we're going to go 30 mil per 100 square meters. Now the reason we're doing that rate is just because I don't want to use oodles and oodles of product. You can go up to 60 mil with Kikuyu, which is what the majority of the lawn is here. A bit of cool season stuff here and there, but it's mostly Kikuyu grass and a little bit of cooch here and there. So I'm gonna go a lower rate just to make it last a little longer. Now the reason we're putting it out today is because we've got rain coming and who knows when the rain's gonna stop. It's El Nino this year. Last month we had a record rainfall. The most rain we've had in, was 150 years or something like that. We had like 250 mil in a month. And that is crazy for us here. So that's the reason I'm getting this out, because I just cannot keep on top of it. I'd rather mow it than putting Primo down on it, like continuously, but mate, just the way it is. So I'm very glad I have this tool to help me out to stop it growing so much. So let's get this down. We're going to put it over quite a few areas, just to help us out, you know. You know what I forgot to get? The catcher. Let's go get the catcher and I'll be back. Right, so I want to try and finally check out this height of cut bar. Let's see what height this mower is on currently. 15 mil, 14.77 mil to be exact actually. 14.72. Now this is a good way to see if both sides are the same. 14.76, so I was like 0.78. So 0.6 of a mil out, which is not that bad really. So that's at about 15 mil, which is what I would have had it running at on the other lawn, just a slight bit out. Let's just see if it's cutting paper, because I doubt this thing is, because it's been sitting in here for a couple of months now and it's got cobwebs. Oh, it's cutting, it's just a bit dusty. Oh dear. Yeah, that's a bit dusty. I don't like that. Right, so the handy thing is, you can just sit this on here, once we zero it out. It's now sitting at 18 mil. Make sure it's straight up and down. 18.6 mil. So obviously as we adjust the front roller down, our height gets higher. Let's see. We zero it out again, because it does tend to reset itself. So this side is now at 20.17. What's this? As long as you're making the same, it doesn't really worry me. This one's at 18 point. All right, so I need to bring that down a bit more. 21 exactly. This one is exactly 20. Let's go 21 mil. 20.6. Make sure I zero it. 21 exactly. 21. Oh, exactly. Beautiful. All right, so 21 mil. We're going to stay with that. The higher the better at the moment because it's so thick and long. So that's already loosened up a bit since I adjusted. Just slightly adjusted it. We're good. We're not. Oh, yeah, we're good. Slightly not grabbing in the middle there. Let's try that again. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Beautiful. So sometimes it's not cutting in the middle. One side is actually a little bit out. So what you do is you go from that side and you bring in your piece of paper bit by bit, and you'll find on one side where it's not cutting maybe a third of the way in, and the other side might be cutting all the way to nearly the middle. So then you've got to adjust that side. Anyway, it's a bit of a feel thing with all that sort of stuff, and you get used to it over time. Anyway, let's give us a cut before this rain hits. Tell you what, I'm so glad there was enough of a break in the rain, because it was raining all day yesterday. Enough of a break to be able to get out today and do all of these jobs, because now I feel a bit better about getting that primo out everywhere, slowing everything down, and then obviously getting a cut on the Kikuyu, because we filled up with inoculate again last week. Was it the week before? Might have been the week before. It's growing like crazy, like absolutely crazy. So that's why we've actually raised the height up a little bit. Because I haven't been able to keep on top of the mowing quite as much. So we went from we squeezed some of it into 17 mil, but now we're back up to 21 mil, and it is just slightly digging into the crowns in some areas. As you can see, that little bit of a yellow cast. Actually, I don't know if you can see it on camera. You can see here, that is not leaf blade, that is straight into the crown of the grass. Which is what you want to aim to not do. So the plan is, since we've been set back a bit this season, it's been way too cold for this grass to even grow properly. I'm going to give it another top dress soon, probably once the temperatures warm up a little bit more. So hopefully in the next 2 or 3 weeks, give another top dress, because a lot of it has washed out down the bottom, just down here. I've showed you guys already. The cylinder mower, as soon as you get on that stuff, it just bounces and jumps around like crazy. So it's actually starting to fill in now, but it is just uneven. Like there's a big dip. Look, that's high, that's really low just there. So we just need to move a lot of the sand about, because as you can see, it all washed down there. Not great, not great. But I'm very happy with this look of this still, considering the season that we've had. Like it has been cold nights, and day temps are just not there yet because of the rain, all the rain we've had, but it's still got a good colour, still looking very lush, looking very delicious. Look at that. But it definitely could be a little bit better. That's why I got the catcher, because most of that grass was soaking wet, which is why some of it's sticking there. Luckily, rain will wash that off. Thanks guys so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Hopefully I can get another video shot this week so this becomes Wednesday's video, but I've got a feeling since we've got rain the rest of the week, this will be Saturday's video again, sorry. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.